Hey everyone, today I'm about to show you one of the most powerful trends on TikTok and Facebook. Foreign content that's going viral all over the world. And guess what? You can jump on this trend too. And the best part is it spreads like wildfire. Whether you're into TikTok or Facebook, you can absolutely get in on this and even make some serious profits from it. Sounds exciting, right? If you search for this on YouTube, you're going to find tons of videos like this one that got over 4 million views. And here's the kicker. All of these videos are made using artificial intelligence. That's right, AI is helping creators like you and me build viral content. But guess what? You can even make better videos than these, no joke. Let's jump right in, all right? The first step is super easy, so pay close attention. I'm gonna leave the prompt you need in the pinned comment below. Make sure to check it out. All you need to do is copy and paste it into ChatGPT and you're good to go. Before you press enter though, here's the fun part. The word kings in the prompt, that's where your creativity comes in. You can totally change kings to whatever you want. Want them to be warriors, queens, or even ministers. Go ahead. Just let your imagination run wild. I mean, if you want them to be presidents, just type it. You could even make them Vikings, whatever fits your style. Once you make those changes, hit enter and boom, ChatGPT will generate the commands for you and you'll see results tailored to countries like Japan, Germany, the USA, you name it. I want to get specific, just type the countries you want and you'll have it ready. Plus, if you want some random countries, ChatGPT will throw together a list of 10 random countries just for you. How cool is that? Okay, so now we've got our prompts ready. What's next? Step 2, creating the images. And trust me, this is where the magic happens. All right, we've got our prompts ready to go. So what's the next step? Step 2, creating the images. And trust me, this is where the magic happens. We're going to head over to leonardo.minimaxai, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make your images pop. So once you head to the site, the first thing you'll need to do is sign up. You'll have several account options to choose from, so just pick the one that works best for you. It's super easy. Now, after signing up, you'll be greeted by the site's main page. Don't get distracted by the designs of other creators. We're focused. You'll want to click on the option that says image creation next. You'll be prompted to enter a description. But hold on a second. Before you dive into that, let's make sure the settings are optimized for the best results. We need to select Leonardo Phoenix. This model is my go-to from personal experience. It gives the best results for what we're aiming to create. But feel free to try out others and pick what works best for your style. Once we've selected that, let's continue with the settings. Here's where you'll set the image dimensions. Now, since we're working on content for platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok, we'll want to set it to vertical mode, 2.5 ratio. And this is going to ensure your image fits perfectly for those formats. All right, now it's time to input the description you generated from ChatGPT earlier. Paste that in the description box and hit generate. Then sit back and relax for a few moments as Leonardo AI works its magic. And just like that, you'll be presented with 4 amazing images to choose from. If you don't like the first batch, no worries. Just hit generate again to get a new set of images. Once you pick the perfect image, we're not done yet. Next, we're going to head over to another site, Hailuoai, to give your image a little extra movement and make it come alive. Here's a refined and engaging explanation of the steps you described with a YouTube-style tone. Okay, now that we've created our awesome images, we're heading to the next level, turning those images into videos. This is where the magic truly happens. I'm going to show you how to make your content move and come to life. Once you're on the Minimax AI website, you'll see a super easy to navigate an interface. You'll be given 2 options here. 1, text to video. 2, image to video. For this tutorial, we'll be using the image to video option, and that's the one you'll want to click. Next, you'll upload the image you created earlier. From here, you've got 2 choices. You can either write your own custom description for the video, or if you want, you can paste the description that we got from ChatGPT. The choice is yours. After you've chosen your description, click on the button to proceed. This is the best part. You'll get 100 free credits when you sign up. Now, each video will cost you 30 credits, but don't worry, you'll get 3 amazing videos for free with those credits. And here's the trick, if you want more videos, you can always create additional accounts to get more credits. No worries there. After you click the generate, just sit back and relax while the website works its magic. In no time, you'll have your video ready. Like once the video is ready, you can head over to CapCut to make some tweaks, maybe add some cool sound effects or transitions. When you're happy with it, you can download it in high quality and voila, your video is ready to upload to YouTube and start getting views. So there you have creating incredible AI generated content that you can turn into engaging videos in no time. Let me know in the comments if you try this out and how it goes. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tips. See you in the next one.